Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, sir. My name is HANANI binti Muhammad PAUZI with the metric number 1916806. I will be presenting on our project, which is a website called Halal Food Hunting. For my part, I will talk about the About Us page and the Sign Up and Sign In function. For the About Us page, it is a simple page where the banner for our site is shown and a short paragraph which describes the site and our purpose. As you can see here, the About Us is also displayed in the middle of the page so that it is easier to read. Okay, now the paragraph is to show the user why we made the site and how it can help them. Okay, pictures of us would have been displayed at the bottom of the site so that the user will become familiar with the creators of the site. Now here is the code for the About Us page. As is displayed, we have set the char set as UTF-8 to make sure that the page can work in multiple platforms. Here is a line which links the external CSS file to the HTML file. As the site uses a font from Google, here are the lines which link to the font as well as allow us to use the font on our page. Here, the About Us title is displayed using the H1 header. A div or div tag is used to create a section of code specifically for the banner, which is classed as banner. In the banner class, there is an image we used for our banner with the ID banner pic and the title of the paragraph as well as the paragraph itself. Next, at the bottom here is a section of code to display the 4 pictures of us, which is titled as our team on the page. Now, as for the CSS of the About Us page, named aboutstyles.css, this top block of code is to ensure that the body of the page can be dynamically resized according to the window. The rest are code which is used to manipulate the elements of the fonts, color, and size of the text and images used, such as making the text using header 1 aligned in the middle and of the Montserrat font family, setting the width and height for the pictures as well as the title of the paragraph to make sure that they are presentable. The banner itself has a background color of white to increase visibility and readability. At the bottom, this section of code is to manipulate and set it so that the pictures of the creators of the site is displayed properly. Here is the sign up page, which looks like a standard sign up page of any website, which asks for the email, password, and to repeat the password. There is an option to remember the user for next time. The users can also cancel the sign up or continue with it. We chose a theme of sky blue, white, and orange to make it aesthetic yet minimal. If the users forget to fill in a field, the page will remind them by giving them an alert. Next is the sign-in page. It is similar to the sign-up page except that it does not ask the user to repeat the password. The same color scheme as the sign-up page is chosen for this page as well. Here is the HTML code for the sign-up page. As shown here, the char set is UTF-8 and is linked to the external CSS file called signupstyles.css. Here is the code for the container containing the sign-up form. It contains an input field for the email, password, and repeated password with placeholders in them to indicate what should be typed for that field. The chat box there is for the users to choose whether or not to remember them. The code for the sign-in form is similar too, but it does not have the code for the repeated password. Finally, here is the CSS file used for both the sign-up and sign-in page. Both of them use the same CSS file as they are similar in structure, format, and color scheme. It details on how the form should look like and the manipulation of the elements of the text, images, or buttons used.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is NURUL, ZAKI, metric number 1915808. So next, I'm going to explain about the trending places, cuisines, and made page. So first, whenever the user click on the trending places, they will go to the trending places page where they can find the recommendation of various and a lot of restaurants that are popular currently. So in these pages, there is a picture of the popular dishes of that particular restaurants. So under the picture, there is the name of the restaurant, and below the name of the restaurant, there is a little and simple description about that restaurant. So this is the example of the few restaurant and menu. So next, we're going to the cuisine. So whenever the user click on the cuisine, they will come out the various type of cuisine. So there is few of cuisine here. So all they have to do is just click on one of it, and there is the recommendation of Malay cuisine. For example, this is laksa piding and its picture. So under it is explained about what is laksa for the foreigners or visitors in Malaysia to make it easier for them to understand about the menu. So next is that maps. Maps. So whenever people click on maps, there will be a, a map that they can use. They can drag it. They can pick. For example, here, Domino's Pizza. They can click here and they can choose the direction, and it will goes to the Google Maps for them to analyze the maps more deeply. They can also search the restaurant that they want in this map too, in this pages. They can, and they can zoom in and zoom out. So that's all for me. I'm going to pass to the presenter. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SYAZWINA. So today, me and my group going to present our website that been created by us. So in our website, we are going to talk about halal food hunting. So in the left side corner of the page, we provide the title here, and then we provide also the navigation bar, which is a little bit of transitions on it for the user to interact it, and it's clickable. It can be directly go to the page that they want. So in budget eating pages, we provide a background image, which such as an attractive image in the behind of the fonts that we provide here. And then we provide varieties of food with a little bit of description, with a variety of cuisine, which is Malay cuisines, Indian cuisines, Chinese cuisines, with a range price from 10 ringgit to 20 ringgit. And this image is clickable, and we can save it for future use. Okay, and with a little bit description. For example, like a foreigner do not know what these kinds of food, they can read it. And then the next section is another type of food which is a little bit expensive with a range price of 50 ringgit and above, which is there is cuisine, Korean cuisine with the names of popular restaurants that can be found in Malaysia, and names for seafood which is popular. They can copy paste it and paste it on the map web page that we provide in our website. And in the contact us pages, we provide the same feature as the title in the left corner and the navigation bar in the same transitions. And also we provide a form for them to fill in for us to give like a feedback for us, like their name, their last name, their email. And yeah, this is like website. Your website is so cool. And submit. Okay, so when they submit it, we can go back to the pages and we can receive a submission through our inbox. Yeah, here, new submission from website. So that's all for the 2 pages in our website. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Julyana binti RAHMAD, metric number 1912068. So I'm going to explain my part, which are the home page, and also I compiled all HTML pages and also standardized the CSS. And the home page, which is I create a home page with a center navigation bar, including page of home and also trending place, like this, yes, and also budget eating, about us, and also contact us, and lastly sign up, which is I combine sign in and also sign up. Go back to the home. It just show a home page that shows a picture of food with a big title of halal food hunting, to show that our main idea is about where great food, halal food and also halal drinks meet. And also, okay, now I will show the coding part, which is I combine the all HTML and also the standardize the CSS coding. And this is how I use the coding. The site navigation. Site navigation is most probably the most common menu type that we need to create. And it is the menu of the whole site or a subset of it, showing both the option visitors can choose from and the hierarchy of the site. Lists using ULLI, the lists are perfect for this purpose, as you can see from this from Atom. And here the coding in trend, index, the budget eating, about us. For example, here I'm at about us page, so I put strong here to provide the feeling of the visitors. You with you are here feeling. Okay. When I want to go back to the homepage, I already linked the homepage link with homepage with what we call it a anchor. I put the link here homepage.html, so I can go back to the homepage page. That's all from me. Thank you. I will pass to my next team members. Thank you.